Hey guys, I'm back with part two on holiday shopping. I just left my mall. I stopped by JCPenney's to check out the Disney section, the Disney store located inside there, had a great report. And then I went outside of JCPenney's and there was a pop-up store, a Toys R Us pop-up store. It was weird to say the least. It had virtually no Legos, no Toy Story, no high-end princess dolls, no special Barbie, holiday Barbie, no fancy those big Disney doll sets, no Disney animator dolls, nothing Marvel. It was just your generic store that you could find these toys at, well, what used to be Big Lots. You could find them at Ross, TJ Maxx, even Walmart. They weren't anything special, anything that popped out. The only thing unique was, of course, Jeffrey. Jeffrey is back. There are a lot of different plush sizes of Jeffrey and some Toys R Us socks and a Funko Pop. But aside from that, everything is pretty generic.
Don't put your fingers in your mouth, please.